Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Claude AI if it's not responding, gets stuck loading, or stops generating replies. So let's start with the simplest solution. Refresh the Claude page and try your prompt again. Temporary browser or connection issues can sometimes prevent responses from loading correctly. Next, you gotta check your internet connection. Claude requires a stable connection to communicate with its servers, so make sure your network isn't experiencing interruptions. If possible, switch to a different Wi-Fi network or use mobile data to see if the problem persists. Another common fix is clearing your browser's cache and cookies. Old or corrupted browsing data can occasionally interfere with web applications, including Claude. After clearing your browser data, reopen Claude and test it again. You should also consider disabling browser extensions temporarily. Certain ad blockers, privacy tools, or security extensions can sometimes interfere with Claude's functionality. If you're using extensions, turn them off one by one and check whether Claude starts responding normally. Another troubleshooting step is to open Claude in a different browser. For example, if you're using Chrome, try Firefox, Edge, or another supported browser. You can also test Claude on another device to determine whether the issue is related to your current computer or the browser setup. If you have been working in a very long conversation, try starting a new chat. Large chat histories can occasionally cause slower performance or response delays. It's also worth checking whether the issue is coming from Claude servers. Temporary outages, maintenance, or high traffic can affect response times. If none of these solutions work, contact Anthropic support and provide details about the problem, including any error messages and the steps you have already tried. The more information you provide, the easier it will be for the support team to investigate the issue.